Hi, good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. It's morning for me here. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Hope you're all able to see my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so just to give a brief um, review on what I've been doing, my fellowship effort was on better understanding the user interface and human-computer interaction component for extended reality. And so in order for sharing easily all the results, I decided that one of the best ways would be to create a website. So I kind of created a website for this effort and I'm sharing all the results in there. And still there are more to come. So let me just give a brief background on what I've been doing. So extended reality is the umbrella term. It includes multiple kinds of modes like virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and desktop VR. And oftentimes people have confusion distinguishing between these, and they try to use these interspersingly. So first was to clarify what each one means. So and I'm going to add more examples under these, but for now, this just shows the differences between like when they read through what are the different kinds of modes of virtual reality. And then there is a section on UI HCI. And once again, I have added content under these clarifying the importance of UI HCI, why the interface needs to be properly planned, and what are the human factors involved in it. Like in virtual reality, the sensory input and output is extremely important for the experience. And generally, people, some of the practitioners, to tend to focus more on the hardware and the software in VR, which is fine. But VR is basically an experience. Um, it includes the hardware and software, but the more important thing is the human factor on the experience. So one very important aspect as part of this that's being done is the panels. So I'm conducting two panel groups, one in the US and one in Asia and Australia, including 5 members from the academia and the industry in each panel. So these panel discussions are ongoing. There are two meetings. One has been concluded, so that's why the discussions and outcomes I have not yet added. We are working on it. One panel meeting is done, and the other one is yet to go, and the same one for the panel group in Asia and Australia. And these are people who have very graciously agreed to contribute their time towards this effort. And thanks to the fellowship from SSI, I'm able to provide them with some token honorarium gift cards for their contribution. But we are discussing about what are the important aspects of UI and HCI, the user interaction and human-computer interaction that need to be focused on going further. And all the panel members' details are also included here. And so that the panel members can also contact each other and talk to each other. And we are also creating a repository of all the contributions from the panel members, which will also be shared. And so I'm learning a lot from these, and I'm trying to compile these in the form of mind maps, and as well as a document that will share what are the essential learning from all these discussions. But it's ongoing, and hopefully by the CW24, I might be able to complete all these, and the website would be able to provide a more detailed information on all the things that's been accomplished. And another thing is I really enjoyed attending the lightning session on the CW23. And as part of this effort, I visited an institution in the Philippines where interacted with students and faculty members, giving them a detailed workshop on virtual reality and X3D, which is an open source virtual reality language. So I have included those details as part of the activities. There are a couple more that are yet to come. I'll be visiting uh, some institutions, education institutions in Asia next week, and I'm also planning to add them here. So on the whole, this entire effort, I started in 23 and I'm still learning a lot, but it has brought me a lot of clarification on what is important from the user interface, human-computer interaction aspects for VR, and all the details are provided here, and my contact information is also included here. I'll also share this website link right now in the chat. Any of you, if you would like to discuss, get in touch with me, please feel free to do so. And virtual reality is being used by, like, as I can see from the panel members areas, they are using virtual reality in many different fields, and visualize, and especially with the rise of metaverse, VR is being used. The use of VR is being emphasized further. So I'm not sure, like, did I go too fast or too slow, but I wanted to cover all aspects of the website where I have compiled the work that I have been able to do with the support from SSI. So I hope I'm within the time limit, and I'll be happy to take any questions. I'll stop there.
Well done, Magesh. Yes, you managed to keep within the time. That was very good. Has anyone got any questions for Magesh? Can't see any hands. Has nobody got any questions? Nothing in the chat either. Okay, very good. Then that means it was obviously a comprehensive presentation again, so excellent.